HMIS training video. In this video, we see a result entry has been done for microbiology culture test where antibiotic and the organisms have been done. In case any modification is required at the time of result entry or in validation, we see how to modify and validate the antibiotics for which result were entered. So in validation screen, I select the test and click on the modify button. Here you can see, modify the growth and other colony count and analysis time, other parameters. For editing this organism and antibiotics, click on this hyperlink button. Now a pop-up will open. In this pop-up you can find the results were already entered. So here you know we're finding the edit button. To edit this one, edit this, you have to select if a organism for which result was entered, edit, insert or update anything for this organism. Select the same organism at here. Here you see the list which was selected for that organism has been updated here. You can update this and click on add button. With this the result will be modified. Similarly, if another also you can do. After updating, click on the save button to update the thing. Here you can see the values which were entered are showing here and you can validate. Even after loading here, further you want to update, then also you can click on the hyperlink and modify accordingly as per your requirement. But once saved and forwarded to the validation or revalidation screen from result entry to validation, this cannot be edited from your end. With this, a validation process is completed. Now result report will be generated. Thank you for watching this video.